Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today healthy recipe for Ramadan is fruit salad with yogurt. Fruits are must at iftar time. Let's make it more delicious by adding yogurt. Because we all know yogurt health benefits. Combining yogurt with fruits providing prebiotics, probiotics and essential nutrients. Let's make it. First I am adding 4 to 5 tablespoon homemade low fat yogurt. Whisk it with the help of whisker until it's smooth. Then I add 1 by 4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of pure organic honey and mix it well. You can add any fruits of your choice. Here I add 1 apple cut in cubes, 2 small size guava, 2 slices of cubed papaya, 2 to 3 slices of cubed melon, 4 to 5 small bananas, 20 gram boiled lobia, mean white kidney beans, as it has various health benefits, help in weight loss, lower cholesterol and treat digestive problems. You must add lobia in your any kind of salads. Then I add 5 to 6 chopped dates and mix well. Here I add dry ingredients that are available in your kitchen. I add some pumpkin and melon seeds, coconut powder, crushed dry fruits as almonds, pistachios, walnuts, because seeds are a great way to make your diet a bit healthier because of their healthy fats and abundance of nutrients. And it's ready. Make it in your iftar and I am sure you enjoy every single bite of it. Share this with your loved ones and if you are new, press the subscribe button and thank you. Allah Hafiz.